Good morning and happy Friday. Well, actually it might not be Friday when you watch this, but it's Friday here, and today we have quite a big job. So about 2-3 weeks ago I did this driveway here, and as a result 3 of the ladies' neighbours on this road also booked in for their drives. So we have 1, 2 and then all the way down there 3. So decided to do all 3 in one day. It's the Friday before the bank holiday, so I thought I'll just try and get them all in. Starting nice and early. I'm hoping I can do all 3 in one day. I'm actually knackered. It's been a crazy month. It's been hot this week as well. But yeah, so we're going to start with this one here and then move on to the other 2. So it's going to be a tough day. I'm hoping at the end of it we'll get all 3 done, and then watch Wolves beat Man City later.
City 1, Wolves 0.
Let's go. Driveway number 1 is done. Well, almost done. I'm just gonna clean out the front here, hypo it, rinse away. But yeah, look at that. Completely different. So it didn't take too long, maybe 90 minutes. So yeah, hypo, rinse, clean up this, and then on to the next one. Let's do it. Right, if you got this far and you're enjoying the second transformation, I'm afraid it does end here. I checked out the footage after I finished this drive and the footage stopped here. It was because it was too hot, and yeah, the camera just stopped filming. So annoyingly, I haven't got the rest of this time lapse clean. But on screen here is before and after photos that I posted on socials. So you can see the difference there. The colours are just absolutely popping on the right. Yeah, super annoying, but on to the third property where I promise it doesn't cut out. Let's go. So all 3 driveways are done. Arrived at 8:30, it's now 4 o'clock, and we have 1, 2, and they've just finished this one here. So we're looking good. It's been a very tiring day. It's the bank holiday now. It's pretty funny how one job can lead to another in this industry. Like I said, we started on that first one there, and then 3 recommendations, and it's kind of snowballed. And ended up doing 4 driveways in the same little cul-de-sac. So it's all good. Bank holiday now. On to the next one.